Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my crochet pattern, the giant granny square Afghan. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the slip stitch, and how to make the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. There are several different ways that you can start your square or your Afghan. You can use the magic circle, you can use the slip stitch method. I am going to be using the chain 4 method to start my square because it is the method that I am most comfortable with and the one that I enjoy using. So I have already made 4 chains on my hook. Into the 4th chain from your hook, or the chain that is farthest away, you're going to make 2 double crochet. So those beginning chains plus those 2 double crochet are all going to count as 3 double crochet together. Make 2 chains. Make 3 double crochet into that same center chain. So now we have a side, a corner, and a side with this 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. So you're going to make 2 chains for another corner, then make 3 double crochet into that same center space. You can see we have 3 sides and 2 corners. Make another corner, chain 2, make 3 double crochet for the 4th side into that same center space. Chain 2 for the last corner. Slip stitch into the first chains you made at the beginning of your row to finish this row. So you should have 3 double crochet for each side and then 4 corners. And that's going to be row 1. To start row 2, I have attached my new color into a corner space and I have made 3 chains on my hook. Work 2 double crochet into that same corner space. So now those 3 chains plus those 2 double crochet are going to count as 3 double crochet together. Make 2 chains for your corner. Then work 3 double crochet into that same corner space. Make 1 chain. You're going to skip over these 3 double crochet completely. Work into the next corner. Make 3 double crochet into that corner. Make 2 chains for your corner. 3 double crochet into that same corner space. Make 1 chain. Skip over to the next corner space and make 3 double crochet. Make 2 chains for your corner. 3 double crochet into that same corner space. Make 1 chain. Skip over these previous 3 double crochet, work into the next corner space, making 3 double crochet. Two chains for your corner. Work 3 double crochet into that same corner space. Make 1 chain to skip over these previous 3 double crochet. Slip stitch into the first chains made in this row to complete your second row. For row 3, I have attached my new color to a corner space and made 3 chains on my hook. Into that same corner space, you're going to make 2 double crochet. Make 2 chains for your corner. 3 double crochet into that same corner space. Make 1 chain, skip over those previous 3 double crochet. You're going to work into this open space, making 3 double crochet. Make 1 chain. Into the next corner space, you're going to make 3 double crochet. Chain 2 for your corner. Work 3 double crochet into that same corner space. Chain 1, skip over this previous 3 double crochet, working into this next space on your side, make 3 double crochet into that space. Make 1 chain, skip over these previous double crochet, work into this corner space, working 3 double crochet. Two chains for your corner, 3 double crochet into that same corner space. Make 1 chain, skip over these previous 3 double crochet, work into this next open space on the side, making 3 double crochet. Chain 1, skip over these previous 3 double crochet, working into this corner space, make 3 double crochet. Chain 2 for your corner, 3 double crochet into that same corner space. Chain 1, skip over these previous 3 double crochet, work into the side open space right here, making 3 double crochet. Make 1 chain to skip over these previous 3 double crochet, slip stitch into the chains that you made at the beginning of your row to finish this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. So now you can see how the pattern is going to go. Into any corner space, you're going to work 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. And you can see as your square or your Afghan gets bigger, you're going to be adding more spaces to each side. So you would work 3 double crochet into any of those spaces and make 1 chain to skip over any previous 3 double crochet. So you would now repeat row 3 for however long you want your project. And here is my completed Afghan. I made 50 rows for a throw size. And that is going to be how to make the giant granny square Afghan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.